Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this Python-SQL practical series. Before beginning, just a small suggestion. For better visibility and understanding, switch to full screen mode while watching the video and turn on the caption. So let's begin with our first practical. Write a Python program to input a welcome message and display it. To start with, I will first open a new browser and type Google Colab. You can use either Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook, Python IDLE or PyCharm. Any of the following Python interpreter you can use. So I'm using Google Colab. So I will first search for this and I will go to this link where we have CEO sign in orange color. Then I will open a Colab, new notebook. So this is the interface for the Google Colab. So this is our file name. So I will just rename it. I will write like practical number one. So our program is to write a Python program is our practical number one. Let's write a Python program to input welcome message and display it. So we can starting with a first basic. So we can simply write. So this is our step one will be print a welcome message. We can simply write print welcome everyone. So our welcome everyone is a string and we have to use single quotation or double quotation. Three exclamation mark I can give. So and if I press shift plus enter, or I can simply click on this play button to execute our program. So if I press shift plus enter, I will get this result. So currently it is connecting, it will take some minute. So our output is welcome everyone. It hasn't printed. But the programming is asking write a Python program to input welcome message and display it. So we have to use input function in order to get this. So our step 2 will be using input function. So first I will input a welcome message. So So I can take this as a variable welcome message. Input, enter your welcome message. So this input function will directly convert this to string. So that's why we do not have to use any other thing. So and now we have to, this is to our input a welcome message. Now we have to display it, display the welcome message. I will print. So I will just print this welcome message. I will simply copy this and paste this, so we do not have any errors while copying. So this W has to be capital and it has to be same as it is. So if I execute this by pressing shift plus enter, then I will get this. So now it is asking to enter your welcome message. So if I now type welcome everyone and press enter, this time we have to press only enter. So it is printing welcome everyone. Now if I re-execute this program, suppose if I copy this whole program and again re-execute this, and now if I change to my welcome everyone, let's learn Python. And if I press enter, so this will be our message, welcome everyone, let's learn Python. Now if I want to remodify or re-execute this program, again I will press shift plus enter. Now if I press like some star, I want to just modify it by pressing some star. This welcome everyone, let's learn Python program. And I press enter, so I will get this message. So that is the practical number 1. We will see you in the next practical. Thank you for attending.